Want to teleport yourself to any background using just your phone? Here's how to master TikTok's green screen effect updated for 2025. First, open the TikTok app and tap the plus button to create a new video. At the bottom left, tap Effects. From here, swipe through the options until you see the green icon with a photo symbol. That's the green screen effect. TikTok actually offers a few variations, one for still images, one for video backgrounds, and even one for dynamic content like websites. Once you've selected the effect, your front camera will activate. Tap the upload icon to choose a background from your gallery. This could be a photo of a beach, a screenshot, or even a short clip. TikTok will instantly apply it behind you, removing your real-life background. When you're ready, tap and hold the record button to film your video. You can talk, gesture, or even move around. TikTok will keep the background in place in real time. For best results, make sure you're filming in a well-lit space and avoid wearing green clothes, since TikTok might mistakenly make them disappear. And that's it. You've just upgraded your content with a clean custom background. Follow for more TikTok tips like this to take your videos to the next level.